Hi guys, and welcome to another workshop video. In this video I start building my 6x6 RC. I ordered the chassis more than 10 months ago. As you can see from the state of the box, it didn't arrive in a great state. The axles was poking through the sides of the box. It must have fallen at some point because it was bent, the chassis at the front, and a lot of screws was missing. But as this was the only one I could find that ships to South Africa, I decided I'll keep it and see what I could do with it. The chassis is based on an Axial XCX103, so I ordered a replacement part for the one that was bent too badly to fix. On the electronic side, I ordered a Spektrum Firma 2300 kV motor and ESC combo, and also the programming card that goes with it. I ordered 2 sets of deep dish adjustable offset rims from GLOBACT via Amazon, and Lowe's RC tires. And also a Spektrum receiver, as I already have a transmitter, an SR515, and an 35 kg steering servo from Amazon. So to start off, I removed the bent part and straightened the chassis rails, and then I replaced the bent one with the one I ordered from Amazon. Then I started opening up all the diffs and checking to see if there's enough grease in. There was a little bit in each, but I just added some extra grease to be on the safe side. And from the diffs I went to the portal axles, opened them all up as well, and greased them as well. I think about all the screws and nuts, everything was loose on the chassis, so I went through from front to back and tightened everything. I then opened up the gearbox to install the motor, just to realize that the spur gear on the motor doesn't fit the pinion gears I ordered. So I had to put the installation of the motor on hold until I could get a new spur gear. I ordered one online and it came in, it wasn't the right one either. Luckily, I went to a hobby shop during the week and I found the right one that will work. And so I installed that at a later stage. I'm planning on doing a weathered Proline power wagon cab on the truck, and then maybe like a tow truck or a breakdown for the rear. I've been thinking about trying to braze something for the back. Everyone makes it look so easy on YouTube, but I've been struggling to get the metal to stick together. I've been using a Dremel Versatip, and I've got a blowtorch that I tried using, but I think I might not have heated it up long enough for everything to stick together to start the process of brazing. As I couldn't fit the motor, I fitted the steering servo, and then I started to assemble the 6 wheels and tires, which was quite a nightmare. I just couldn't get the front and the back parts to be close enough so that I can start screwing in the screws. So after, I think I struggled about an hour, and then luckily I found a screw that was long enough from somewhere else that I could tighten it and then start to screw in the small screws provided. Hopefully I'll have some time soon to continue with this build. As I said before, luckily I found the right spur gear, which I've installed in the meantime since making this video, and it seems that the motor will fit now. I just need to, there's a little screw in the way that I'll probably have to grind down with the Dremel to make it a bit shorter so that the motor fits better. Thank you to everyone that's watched the video this far. I hope you enjoyed it. and I hope you enjoy your day.